Who's ever handling your money, do some research, look up their name, verify through public records of any type of crime or court cases concerning the individual or the company that's handling your money in your career. Floyd Mayweather did not do that. He had a lot of money to lose. And before several years passed by, the individual that's managing you, dealing with your money, selling stuff to you, whatever the case may be, do an investigation yourself via online tools or hire someone. $175 million is a lot of money. Floyd Mayweather met this man about 9 years ago. And he's reporting that this man stole his money. Let's get into it. Ladies and gents, Social Nurse here. None of us want to lose our money, be stolen from, our money be taken from us and just, robbed. None of us want that, right? Floyd Mayweather states that $175 million was swindled from him. That's a lot of money. Floyd Mayweather has enough money to investigate whatever firm, or he had enough money to investigate whatever firm or person he is dealing with in reference to managing his money or being his manager, right? Because this man that he is accusing of taking his money, Jonah Rechnitz, has a past, has a criminally associated past. And had Floyd Mayweather just, Googled, done a little investigation, or hired someone else, a family member even could look up the information for him, investigated who was handling his money, who his ex-manager is that moved his money around in ways to take his money and steal it, man, that may have been able to be prevented. Because for me, if I know someone has a certain past, then I'm not going to deal with them, right? So I'm going to guess if Floyd Mayweather knew that Jonah Rechnitz had a criminal past, he would not have let this man manage him in any way, shape, or form, especially his money. So Floyd Mayweather is claiming that he met Rechnitz in 2017 and that Rechnitz portrayed himself as a sophisticated real estate investor while building both a personal and business relationship with Floyd Mayweather. Floyd Mayweather said that he was unaware at the time that Rechnitz had been a key figure and cooperating witness in a federal bribery trial. In this federal bribery trial was a former correction officers benevolent association president, Norman Seabrook. So if Floyd Mayweather had investigated at all, or had Rechnitz investigated, he would have found this out. He could have maybe Googled this man's name and found this out. So Floyd is saying that Rechnitz and other co-defendants have taken his money by making unauthorized transfers, redirecting money to different places, different companies, firms. It's just a lot. I'll put a link to this article in the description box. I mean, this man, Rechnitz, is even accused of pledging $100 million worth of the boxer's jewelry to two Miami-based jewelers. Again, Floyd should have investigated. He has a lot of money to lose and did lose, according to his own accusations, right? If he had investigated, he would have found out that Rechnitz testified in 2017 against former corrections officer union president Norman Seabrook and co-defendant Murray Huberfield at trial in New York. Rechnitz testified as part of a plea deal in which he admitted attempting to bribe Norman Seabrook, Murray Hoberfield, as well as then New York Mayor Bill de Blasio and top New York City Police Department officials. Rechnitz received immunity as part of the deal for his involvement in 2 Ponzi schemes, in defrauding a medical insurer and in lying on government forms to obtain a gun license. Rechnitz also told a jury that he bought favors from Mayor Bill de Blasio for a bundled $100,000 campaign donation and some other stuff. So my point is, this man has a shady past dealing with money, and had Floyd Mayweather looked into this a little bit more, he probably would have said, no, I won't deal with this guy. But I don't know, maybe he would have turned a blind eye to it. But I also read on a totally different article than the one, I'll put both articles in the description box, that Floyd Mayweather claimed that, he just trusted what this man had to say. He signed paperwork that he was not clear of. Any thoughts on this? I mean, it's a sad situation for him. I don't celebrate the disparity or any terrible luck that someone might experience, but it's an interesting story. I'll be talking about Terrell Owens next. Social Nurse.